Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the most dangerous carbide burr mistakes welders make. First, let's talk about improper tool selection. Using the wrong carbide burr can lead to accidents and poor results. Always choose the right burr for your specific material and task. Next, we have the mistake of neglecting safety gear. Skipping gloves, goggles, or face shields can result in serious injuries. It is absolutely essential that you always prioritize your safety. Another common error is overlooking maintenance. Dull or damaged burrs can cause kickback and loss of control. Regularly inspect and replace your tools to ensure optimal performance. Lastly, don't forget about technique. Always maintain a firm grip and use the correct angle for your work. By avoiding these dangerous mistakes, you can enhance your welding skills and stay safe. Remember, education and safety go hand in hand. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.